Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here, your independent Epicure consultant, and I am now a leader. So exciting. But I just wanted to hop on to let you guys know that we do have a new business kit. So this is our Summer Strong update as of May 2020. So actually, I didn't even notice this. I've been dealing with some personal issues, sadly, the past couple days. Well, actually, the past week. And I'm just finally catching up on emails and stuff now. But our new Summer Strong business kit is right here. Let me see here. So if you guys haven't seen this yet, you can just log in to your Epicure account. You just have to go under, I believe it's business tools. Actually, let me check that now. I just looked, but let me just check now for you. So if you guys go under these three lines, go under business tools. I go under, there's probably a quicker way to do this, but I go under new consultant and then see where it says Summer Strong Business Kit. So this was actually last updated yesterday. So I guess I don't feel too bad by not seeing it. But when you click it, you will find it right here. And this actually shows you exactly what's inside. So if you have people asking you, so what's the business kit all about? What's inside? What does it look like? Here you go, you guys, right here. They will have pretty much everything here. And then if they have any questions, they can see it all here. I believe it's the same price. So it should just be the $175, you know, give or take. But let them know this. And if you guys have any questions, let me know.